Ours roller shades offer 100% blackout. Stop anywhere. Adjust your roller shade to any position for perfect light control. Comes with premium hardware, everything you need for installation. For inside mount, order one narrower than your window's inner width, half-inch clearance per side. For outside mount, go 2 to 4 wider per side to cover the frame. Install the mounting brackets. Then snap the roller shade into place. Light may peek through the edges with an inside mount. We offer customization options, with most orders shipping within 1 to 3 business days.